Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Rajshree and we will learn here about Maths Class 1 IMO, which is Olympiad. Okay, IMO conducted by SOF, which is International Olympiad. Okay, so myself Rajshree, and today we will learn about all the things which is important for IMO Class 1. Okay, IMO Class 1. Okay, this session only for the Class 1. Now, what we learn today's topic is first the expanded form of a number, expanded form of a number. Second, that is short form of a number, short form of a number. Okay, next, the third, that is number name, and fourth is abacus. Okay, this topic we will cover in this video, right? So now, why these topics are important? These topics are asked in your question paper. Okay, for this reason these topics are important. Okay, now we will start our session. Okay, let's consider we will differentiate. Okay, we will differentiate difference करेंगे. what is number name, now then the what is expanded form. Expand means what? If the value is this, you can expand, means we expand. Whenever we smile, what we will expand your mouth, है ना? Right? This is expand. Okay, and next, that is short form. Okay, number name. Let's consider a number. Let's consider here let's consider here a number, sorry, that is 11. Okay, 11. So what is the number name? Number name is 11, right? What is expanded form? Expanded form means we expand, that is 10 and 1. Here ones place, this is tens place. This is expanded form. Okay, we can write 11 like 10 and ones in the place value. These are the houses. Okay, ones and tens are the houses, and in this we put the value. Okay, now it is short form. What is the short form? That is 11. Now we can write expanded form. This is our first concept. This is our first step. Okay, we can write in the expanded form what? 10. Wait a minute. 1 tens and 1 ones. Okay, 1 ones, 1 tens. Right? Here the number, and after that we specify the name. Okay, what we are mistake here, we write as 10 10 tens. This is wrong. Okay, we write only in this form. We write only in this form. Okay, okay. Now next, so you can differentiate all this thing. What is number name, what is expanded form, what is short form. Now next concept is, what is abacus. Abacus. Next concept is, very sorry, abacus. Okay, abacus we denote as AB. Okay, in this abacus, what here where we have two spice for ones and one tens. Okay, if I want write 11, so I can put one bit here and one bit here. Okay, so this is, we can represent on abacus like this. Okay, if I want to write 10. Okay, I want to write on abacus 10. So how can I write? For this, I draw ones and tens. Put only one bit here. Okay, only one bit here. So this represent as 10. This represent 10. Okay, for 20, for 20, for 20, ones and tens. For this 2 bits we are put in the spin T. Okay, spikes 10. Okay, what is this? This is the spike. Spike. Okay, these are the spike, and these are the beat. What? Beat. Okay, right? So this concept is so important for you, because in abacus these questions are asked. Okay, and I already explain you all these things in previous video. What is abacus? Okay, abacus. So your work is, what you can try yourself all these questions. Okay, write the numbers 53. How can you write this? 53 in four formats. In four formats. Write 53 in four formats. Okay, 53 in four formats. First format is number name. First format is number name. Number name. Second format is expanded form. We put as EF. And next is short form. And fourth is in abacus. Okay, this is your work. You practice all these things. Okay,